Greetings, I am online and I'm on the air, bringing you guys another art tutorial because I strongly believe that education should be free. In some places, just not here in corporate America. Now, for today's tutorial, I wanted to cover how to do hair. I've been trying to find a way of doing nice hair for a while and found something that looks quite promising. First step, we need to set up your scene. You need some kind of a head to put hair on. You could use Susan the monkey. You could get a bust from various sources like Make Human, Manual Bastion, Turbo Squid, Sketchfab, other various 3D directories out there. You could build your own head. You could use a sphere. It doesn't really matter. And make sure you check the scale of your assets. Oops. Hang on a second. Oh, where's the size? Location 0, 0. Yeah, make sure you check the scale of your assets. Now for this specific tutorial, these have notes. The scale doesn't really matter, but if you're working with a lot of assets, it helps to keep things in proportion to each other. It'll just make things faster and easier. And also, if you're working with normal maps, if your mesh is super big, then that could actually dilute your normal maps. I had a problem like that at some juncture in time. Now I can tell that this cube is 2 square meters. So if I were to import this head into the Unreal Game Engine, it would be the size of the third-person controller, the default third-person character.